Ayden from the Off-Grid Shop here, and today Mike's going to give us a brief overview of our 3 to 4 bedroom system. Way to go.
Hey, and thanks. Yeah, so this is more designed, if you think about, if you're doing a kit home, you're building a GJ garden home, you see the house in this system here, this is pretty much about this system. This system's probably pushing the limits of a bit of a DIY. It really depends on your skill and ability. If you want to DIY, we've had people DIY these systems. Now, this system here has got 10 kilowatts of solar panels on it. It's got a 10 kVA inverter in it. So overnight, you can turn up to about 8,000 watts of loads at any one time. So this house here, it runs electric oven, electric cooktop. It's got 3 air conditioners. It does have a 6.5 kilowatt backup generator. So this house is pretty much all electricity, no gas at all. And they went with the solar hot water. The same for this system here is if in winter they're not getting enough from the solar hot water, they actually just turn their generator on. They really went to reduce the amount of fuels on the property. So they've got the generator, which heats hot water in winter, and everything else is done with electricity. So you can actually do a lot with electricity this year. It all comes in this weatherproof cabinet. You can see in the middle of the picture under the solar hot water along the wall there. That's actually the battery cabinet there. So the battery cabinet, the inverter, everything like that just fits nicely up against the house. It's all weatherproof. Doesn't have to go inside a garage or something like that. So these are really designed, these kits here. As you see, the panels are every which way. That really helps out the spread out the energy production for the day. So you don't get these really big middle of the day level batteries. It really helps spread out that production. The sun comes up in the morning, the eastern panels get cracking, panels facing north and panels facing west. And like I said, this place has 3 split system air conditioners in it, electric ovens, electric cooktops. So you can get away with a lot of electricity. It really just comes into your budget.
Awesome. Now we're talking some serious power, eh? All right, thanks, Mike. And if anyone wants to get in touch, there's a link in the description below. Cheers and have a good one.